Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? So I'm back with a Under the Sea, the Little Mermaid palette from Colourpop, and I'll get started with the other stuff that I have on, and then we'll go from there. So I did start with the Pretty Fresh by Colourpop, and this is their tint in 8N. And then I mixed some of the Essence Drops of Sunshine with it, so it's a little bit lighter than it normally is, but you know, it's a really light tint, which is great in the summertime because it is really warm right now. And then as far as what I went ahead and used for my bronzer, I got the BPure bronzer. This is over at Dollar Tree. And this is what the shade looks like right here. So that's what I have on for the bronzer. These are one of the dupe products from BPure. They have a couple of different shades. And yeah, this is what it is, and this is the color that it stains to. And so I have that on the cheek. I did go ahead and use some of this really pretty raspberry one, which is actually this color right here, and I used that on the back of the cheeks. And then this highlighter I think came out last year too, and again, BPure over at Dollar Tree. And so this is the highlighter here. So I did go ahead and use all of these, and again, they're all over at Dollar Tree. As far as this line goes on, this line, it goes on as a balm, which is kind of cool. Balmy, creamy kind of product, but yeah, it's really easy to work with. And then this product is more of a stain, and you can use it on lips or cheeks. And as far as what I went ahead and did for the eyes today, I went ahead and used the Colourpop Under the Sea palette. And I think some of the formulas are a little bit different, not in a negative way. I kind of like the way that the blue came out as not an in-your-face blue. So I did go ahead and start with this in the crease. And then I went ahead and used this to about here on the lid, and then from here to here. The white is actually an iridescent, and I went ahead and used it right under the eyebrow. This one I went ahead and put on the outer corner. So it's from about here over and all the way up there. So as far as this palette goes, I'm really liking it. You can do a pink sort of almost a burgundy look with this one, and you can do a nude look too. The yellow I haven't tried, but probably it would be a really good contrasting color to the blue. And as far as what I went ahead and did for lips today, this is another Dollar Tree product. It's a lip gloss. It's the Little Mermaid lip gloss from Dollar Tree, and then the e.l.f. lip gloss or lip oil over the top. So that's what I have on there. These are actually kind of you kind of have to keep your eye on these kind of glosses if you're older, because they can go ahead and collect over, you know, in the sides of your mouth. But one of the really good things about these kind of glosses is that when they do go ahead and spread out, they go ahead and give you more of a bottom lip and more of a top lip, which as you get older, they just keep on disappearing. So that's kind of nice. Just you have to watch out for the corners because they can gather there. And let's see, I used a little bit of the NYX as far as my concealer, and the Lash Without Limits from Essence. This one is NYX, and the Colourpop eyeliner as well. This way that the eyes kind of came out. And I am really enjoying this palette. If you want a fun summer palette, I would definitely go ahead and pick it up. I did go ahead and finish off with the finishing powder. This is actually my repurchase. I did go through one of these Dawn finishing powders from Morphe, and this is my second one. And as you can see, I'm almost, well, yeah, I'm going to have to replace it pretty soon too. And let's see what else. The Caice, as far as the setting spray, it has some mica in it, so it gives you a little bit of a glow. And so, yeah, I think all these products are still available. Definitely a fun summer look, and it doesn't give you, you know, the cakey face and the, yeah, the matte look that, yeah, doesn't go with summer at all. It's a fun look. I guess that's going to be the whole video, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.